ọmọ Yorùbá gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá àṣírí bàbá Ọbásanjọ́ Arẹ́gbẹ́ṣọlá wọ́n fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú àwọn Àtíkù àti Peter Obi láti rí wípé bàbá Tinubu wọn ò wọlé 2027. Ó nágbára o. Sọ yẹ káwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ká tún mọ̀ ṣe nǹkan báyìí fún wa bí? Sọ yẹ ká mọ̀ ṣe nǹkan báyìí fún wa? Ọmọ Yorùbá sọ yẹ ká mọ̀ ṣe nǹkan báyìí fún wa? Pẹ̀lú gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tá a bára wa sọ wípé àsìkò tá a wà yìí ìṣọ̀kan la nídìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ láàrin ara wa, ká má jẹ́ kí ìjọba tó wà lọ́wọ́ wa yìí kó tún bọ́ lọ́wọ́ wa mọ́. Àníṣe gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ jẹ́ ká fi ọ̀tẹ̀ lẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká fi àbòsí lẹ̀. Àsìkò tá a wà yìí ìṣọ̀kan la need. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fìmọ̀ ṣọ̀kan kí ohun tá a fẹ́ kó lè bá yọrí sí rere. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fìmọ̀ ṣọ̀kan láàrin ara wa. Ogun wọ́n ń jí wa gbé, wọ́n ń pa wá nílẹ̀ Yorùbá kó lè bá dópin. Bàbá wa Tinubu wọ́n ń gbìyànjú fún wa, wọ́n ń ṣiṣẹ́ takuntakun. Àwọn Fúlàní tó wà ń bẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ àwọn ni wọ́n bà ogun ẹ̀ jẹ́. Wọ́n ti bà ogun ẹ̀ jẹ́ tí bàbá Tinubu kó tó gbàjọba. Kí ló wá dé? Ó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé àwa kan à ń sọ wípé àní gbàgbọ́ nínú wa Nàìjíríà wípé Yorùbá nation la fẹ́. Àmọ́ láì nǹkan tí bàbá wa Tinubu tí wọ́n ṣe fún aṣíwájú tiwa tá a gbà fún olóyè Meji Àdìsá, àwọn ni wọ́n jẹ́ kí bàbá wa olóyè Meji Àdìsá kí wọ́n padà wọlú Nàìjíríà padà. Òun ló fà á tá a fi sọ wípé ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ̀pọ̀tì wọn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ síkọ́rítì. Gẹ́gẹ́ wá ti mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ síkọ́rítì náà ló jẹ bàbá wa olóyè Sunday Adéyẹmọ ló jẹ wọ́n lógún. Ló jẹ wọ́n lógún. Ìgbésẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ síkọ́rítì sì ni bàbá Tinubu wọ́n ti bá wa gbé àti rí àpẹẹrẹ pé ohun tá à ń tọrọ lọ́wọ́ wọn wọ́n ti fẹ́ ṣe fún wa, wọ́n ti ṣe fún wa náà ni ó dájú sáká. Làfi rọ gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ má jẹ́ ká dìtì ara wa mọ́. Àṣírí tí mo mú wá fún wa yìí mo fẹ́ ká farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ ohun tó wà nínú ẹ̀. Bàbá Tinubu bàbá Tinubu ẹ má jẹ́ kẹ́ni tó kúkú mọ́ yín. Ohun tó wà lọ́kàn yín sí dáadáa tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ ṣe fún ìran Yorùbá àti gbogbo Nàìjíríà ẹ kọ̀ntínú ẹ̀. Bàbá Ọbásanjọ́ àgbàmọ̀nitara yín tó bá jẹ́ pé lóòótọ́ ni ẹ̀ ń sọ́pọ̀tì Haúsá Fúlàní lé ọmọ Yorùbá lórí, ẹ jẹ́ ronúpìwàdà. Arẹ́gbẹ́ṣọlá tó bá jẹ́ pé lóòótọ́ ni ẹ̀ ń sọ́pọ̀tì Peter Obi pẹ̀lú Àtíkù lé ọmọ Yorùbá lórí, ẹ jẹ́ ronúpìwàdà. Tó bá bàjẹ́ tán tó nídìí ọmọ dáa. Tó bá bàjẹ́ tán tó nídìí ọmọ dáa. Ọmọ Yorùbá mọ̀ lẹ́yìn méjèèjì. Bóyá ó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o, bóyá kò wá rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o, ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ gbọ́.
Good day, my people. You're welcome to today's political broadcast. Today is the 5th of April, 2026, and we are still discussing Nigerian politics. Now, whether you like it or not, the ADC as a political party is gone. I repeat, whether you like it or not, the ADC as a political party is gone. If they like, let them form a parallel government. If they like, let them take Titu and INEC to the global stage. Let them report INEC to the West, Trump and co. ADC as a political party is gone. Now, I've discovered one thing, that Obasanjo, former President Olusegun Obasanjo, is not a friend of the opposition. I repeat, former President Olusegun Obasanjo is working for the establishment that does not want Peter Obi to become Nigeria's president, the establishment that does not want Atiku to become Nigeria's president. There is an establishment that Obasanjo is working for. Number two, Aregbesola. Many people will feel that Aregbesola is having this fight with Tinubu, but you don't know Tinubu. I still say it till tomorrow. I beat my chest. When you talk about politicians in Nigeria, you people don't know Tinubu. Aregbesola, so far he is in the opposition as we speak. I don't think the opposition will get ahead. Let's forget about whether they are in court or what have you. So far, they are in the opposition. I don't think that opposition will get ahead. Because in the Southwest, I respect in the Southwest two politicians, very, very knowledgeable and astute politicians. Number one, I respect Tinubu in the Southwest. Number two is Aregbesola. That's my personal observation. Aregbesola will not be in a party such as that, and they are making all these mistakes. Me, that I am a small boy, that I'm here, I'm seeing all the loopholes. Most people are seeing Aregbesola will not be in such a political party, and they will be making all these mistakes. Now, for President Obasanjo, I have come to understand that Obasanjo in his lifetime does not want to see Atiku as president. So he will do everything in his power to make sure that Atiku does not get to that position of authority. I said this before, that politicians you need to be afraid of are Southwest politicians. Don't underestimate what a Southwest politician can do to you. He can be smiling with you. The next moment, he has turned it upside down. He can be playing the gong for you. You'll be dancing. You dance inside the pit. I say it again. Obasanjo, Aregbesola, these are my observations. I'm not imposing it on anybody. But when you look at it, 2023, Obasanjo was urging Obi. If Obi were to be with Atiku, Obasanjo would have not say he supports the opposition. Yes, mind you, Obasanjo resigned from the PDP, while Atiku becomes the presidential candidate of the PDP. Yes, Obi was being urged on, and some people after the election, some people said that they used Obi to spoil votes. As if Obi and Atiku were together, they will have beat the APC blue-black. But Obasanjo has to urge Obi, give him that support so that he can spoil the vote of an Atiku. Tinubu got 8 million. Atiku got 6.9 million. Obi got 6.1 million. Imagine that Atiku and Obi merged together during that last election. Tinubu will not be Nigeria's president. I'm telling you, no matter the video. But it is getting clearer and clearer by the day that politics in Nigeria is dangerous. Politics in Nigeria is complicated. So far, there's an Aregbesola in that ADC. My brother, no pathway. Whether you like it, whether you don't like it. I have said it that politics is not emotions. Politics is your strategy. You see, how does Tinubu have so many people in different political parties? How was Tinubu able to destroy the PDP? How was Tinubu able to destroy the Labour Party? How is the I said it that Aregbesola will not be in such a party, and they are making all these mistakes. All these mistakes. So when I looked at the case, I did study law, but I have a brain to think. I look at solution of different legal luminaries, whether the ones that are biased, the ones that are not biased. I looked at everything, and I came to a conclusion that ADC is gone. I don't know how. Look at what the spokesperson of the ADC is saying, that we'll take it up. Let me read it. That we'll take everything abroad. Plans to ADC takes flight for democracy to global stage. I think the federal court. I don't know the federal court. Even though you to deal with internal issues, there are other court cases on the ADC, and Aregbesola will be inside the party, and these things are happening. Mind you, Aregbesola is not a Kwekwe politician. So I'm suspecting that there is a lot of compromise or a sabotage in the ADC. Which why, first of all, I have asked P2B. I just mentioned P2B. I told you before that the plan is for P2B not to have a political party to run with. P2B. And there's another plan to make sure that from the end of an Obasanjo, you see, if the end, Obasanjo is still hobnobbing, aligning with P2B small. If the ADC give P2B the ticket, Obasanjo will want to support the opposition. But if they give Atiku ticket, Obasanjo will not support the opposition. So they have to urge Obi on, because if Obi win the election, the establishments, the power that be, would not announce to the winner. You say a lie, blah blah blah. I said the powers that be will not announce to Obi winner if Obi won the election. If you look at it from ramifications, the people that saw the light, saw the truth, they saw that Obi actually edged that election, but they will not give it to him because that's not what the establishment wants. I'm telling you, there's a lot of conspiracy, a lot of things happening, and man, I wish the Southeast politicians are seeing the bigger and brighter picture of what is going on, the conspiracy that is going on. I wish that we can turn back the hands of time, because as it stands now, there's no pathway for Obi presidency. Those that think Obi will become Nigeria's president, with the current establishment, with the current cabal, Obi is not going to be Nigeria's president, never. You think that it is your vote that determines who becomes president, or your protest, or whatever you're going to do? All this one that ABC is threatening, parallel government, we are going to do this and that. All those ones are Sakam and J Mount. Now there was a report from Guardian newspapers that the top echelon in the ADC, they are considering another political party. That's what, I said it. So when the ADC start giving, or some people in the ADC start giving analysis about ADC, this and that, you think that these people really know what they are saying. ADC as a political party is gone, and some people are in that party, and they know these things are happening. They are there. They are acting as spoilers, people that will spoil the ambition, spoil the political future of others. They have it everywhere. Nigerian, when we talk about protests, there are people that the APC recruits for protest. They know that what they are protesting is wrong, but sycophants everywhere. The Tinubu's government, the APC, the Southwest political class, they have so many people they are planted everywhere to help them play their politics. That is Nigerian politics for you. I'm telling you. So, like I said, from all these things that are happening, I pity the northern politicians the most, because it is political power that they breathe and they drink from. What Obasanjo is set out to do, he will do like, I am for the opposition, I'm against Tinubu. Tinubu can even pay somebody to go into another political party, and they will start abusing him. Tinubu is mad. Now Tinubu, if they want for Tinubu, they can say Tinubu is mad, blah blah blah. They will be laughing at us when we are saying, Aregbesola is taking ADC in Southeast. Aregbesola and taking ADC. Politicians, they will stand, they will go, they will enter flight, go to a place, mobilize people, knowing that what they are doing is going to be futile. They are using it to spoil. Nigerian politicians, I fear now. So as it stands, there's no pathway for the ADC. If you like, say in 2027, Nigerians will do this. Nigerians are not doing anything. There's no platform for Nigerians to do anything now. The ADC is not a platform. I'm telling you, it is only North that will lose a lot if the ADC crash. Because it's a northern platform whereby northern politicians see it as a safe haven for them to run Tinubu aground. And they don't know that Tinubu has planned a lot of things. Maybe I'm president. Someone like Aregbesola, if I give them 1 billion every month, maybe they run the package, maybe they run. Or I give them 2 billion every month. Nigeria has that money to some politicians can give that money just for their political or power, for political ambition. I'm telling you. So I don't trust an Obasanjo. I don't trust Aregbesola. P2B, beware. I know you think these guys, they are very, very, they are old politicians. They have a lot of tricks they play, and you are falling into that trick. Just the only thing that you benefit is that you have an obedient movement tied to your name politically. Is a political plus. But becoming that Nigeria's president, no. All these people, they will do like say they work with you. They are working against you. They are working against you. The Tribune, the Sunday Tribune says how ADC landed in troubled waters. How ADC. Now, as it is now, Tribune or the APC will have been sending a lot of their men to other available political parties. Even that NDC that they shout now. Like I said, if the NDC had this foresight, they would have ported to the NDC as fast as possible. But as it is now, Tribune and his boys go on to strategize on how they register for NDC, they will do for NDC, they will vie for position for NDC. You don't believe this is true? Okay. If you have followed Tribune's political journey, you know that Tribune has been able to use a lot of these tricks as he ascended from senator to governor. You know, in AD, Funshaw Williams won Tribune. But through Padesoya and Adebanjo, they had to find a way to make sure Tribune won the primaries of the AD. That Tribune is now governor of Lagos State. You can see how Tribune have been able to use powerful forces to work in his favor since when he was senator until now that he's governor. If you don't fear Tribune till now, can Obasanjo work for Tribune? Very capital yes. Can Aregbesola be working for Tribune? Very capital yes. The more you look, the less you see. So for P2B, I pity P2B because in all this arrangement, he's an actual focus to make sure that he does not have a political platform. And also some people have vowed that Atiku will never be Nigeria's president. So however they can sabotage, they can sabotage. Imagine that P2B paired with Atiku in 2019. With the strength of Northern Nigeria and with people who never wanted to see APC and Bola Ahmed Tinubu then, the North will have given their sympathy votes to Atiku, number one. And again, the Obi will have cornered a lot of votes from the south, southwest, or southeast. And Buhari will have looked, okay, this is my brother Fulani, and will have been like a bit neutral. I'm telling you, Atiku will have beaten Tinubu blue black in the last election. But having that combination now, I've seen that there's some people that are working day and night, tooth and nail. I just see that Obasanjo, that man don't start him. You don't play this guy's politics, and they are not seeing what I'm saying. I stand to be corrected. I can be wrong or right. I don't know everything. But the fact is that Obasanjo and Aregbesola may be working for the establishment to truncate the chances of the opposition stopping Tinubu come 2027. That one is shaking. You see, they make sure that ADC does not breathe. ADC does not come together. That is the aim of the APC now. APC should not come to a consensus. There must be one problem, another, one litigation and another. I don't even know. I'm even watching whether the Bolaji Abdullah himself is part of. You see, politics is deep, and I don't know. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. ADC, if they stay in ADC, they will continue to have problems until the party expire for their hand, and there's no option for them to go to another political party, and then it's just Tinubu and other mushroom political parties that will go into the 2027 elections. So from now till May, we will know whether we have opposition to Tinubu. From now till May, we know whether Tinubu has won the election. As it stands today, I've said it. Whatever the ADC is doing, you know, say they just wait until this timetable of INEC reach before they now fire that bazooka before the appeal court now give them, INEC starts implementing the judgment of that appeal court. They waited for this time. Somebody said they should have waited until 1 week to wherever, blah, blah. Maybe they don't do their convention. The appeal court will just give their judgment, status quo and tribunal. Go back to the way it is. They will not do convention. Time will elapse. Maybe INEC will be, okay, let me give you more time. Giving, after the timetable of all political parties to submit their register, do their conventions and primaries have elapsed, maybe INEC, because of your court case, give you like 2 weeks. Inside that 2 weeks, they'll never settle. They'll still give, the litigation will still go on and on. Ah, God. Any political party you enter today, that political party, if the ADC does not act fast, you see that NDC, if the ADC does not act fast, Tinubu and the APC may corrupt the NDC, may clone the NDC and colonize the NDC so that it will be difficult for them. I hope they have other options. I'm just saying, like, let there be opposition, but I just know that Tinubu is winning the next election. I don't talk. I hope let there be a tough fight, opposition. You know, when I look at this thing, I always shake my head. I say, so now some politicians they do for Nigeria. Some politicians they do for Nigeria. Okay. Now a video of Obasanjo and Tinubu at the Ogun State Airport. Tinubu as the commander-in-chief of the armed forces in his regalia came and he shook everybody. Obasanjo was part of them. And I looked at it and you think that these people are fighting, but these people are playing a bigger political game that most of us don't understand. You see, old men, tricky old men fear them. Old men don't change. Okay, you think an old man, because I am old, I'm going close to my grave, let me start doing good. Old men don't think like that. If an old man is a bad person, in fact, now when he's old, it will be difficult for him to stop that in wickedness. Wickedness, they follow old, bad habits, bad attitude, character, they follow old people into their grave. A man that is good at his old age was good before he became old. Or something extraordinary happened. But normally, old people, hey, Southwest politicians, I doff my hat for now. I don't look at what the president inaugurated in Ogun State. That is not good governance, but that is a political statement from the Southwest. You know, there's different from political statement when in terms of project, and there's a difference between political statement in terms of governance. Governance is how is your policies affecting the lives of the people positively. Political statement in terms of project, you build a project for bragging rights, just like the one Umahi built, or the flyover Okeze Pasu built in Osisioma, the airport Umahi built, that does not even, they spend billions of naira that should have fixed the healthcare sector and fix water in Ebonyi State. You use it and build gigantic project. You have to build gigantic project that will go past his house. He built his house at Umahi house for Ebonyi State. If he built past Aso Rock. These are political statements, but they don't reflect on the lives of the people. We cannot change it. We cannot translate this to good governance. So what Tinubu is going to do there is not good governance. It is a political statement. And for those that can read the political statement, they should know that the Southwest political class, they are building their political empire with fast speed. They are building. Everybody is on board. If I tell you that we have a northern political empire, we have a Southwest or Southern Nigeria political empire headed by Tinubu. If I tell you that it is either you join one or you become a prey. A prey. The Southeast politicians, they are not matured politically to form a bloc, to stand alone on their own. They are not matured. You see the middle belt. If the middle belt are serious, the middle belt can actually form a political bloc and stand alone, not more than the Southeast. When I tell people that God, Obasanjo, Aregbesola, Bolaji Abdullahi. I'm not accusing of anything. No. I just, during from 2014 till now, as a political science student, if you have not learned anything, my brother, you're not paying attention. There are a lot of things to learn. A lot of things to learn. Sit down and watch. Watch carefully. Read the handwriting on the wall. You understand that the politics will be in Nigeria today. If these politicians really wanted to fix Nigeria, they can fix Nigeria, but they never want to fix Nigeria, because fixing Nigeria will be to their own disadvantage, will be to their own loss. But if not politics, this guy, even politics, they play on Atiku, I sorry for you. If you allow to win the next election, maybe your political career don't pafuka. I now noticed, why is that the ABC will make such a mistake? Why is it? Why is that? People, some people, they just become moles. I don't know whether they have political ambition, but they will just act as a spoiler. Someone like Rene Mokri, and the other guy that went to Al Jazeera, what is his name? Is he Bami or what? What is his name? That said he have glass full or whatever it is. I used to wonder, do these people have political future? They are playing this kind of roles. It's going to destroy their political ambition. But we have so many people that are willing to be psychophants for the establishment. So many people are willing. Like the one that is following, like Autumn, like the state for Fayoshe, it also following Wike. Thank God. Things do.
ẹ̀yin yẹn wá ohun tá a tún mú wá fún yín náà nìyẹn. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ bá mi wò kí àjọ̀gbọ́n tí ó wà níbẹ̀ ní tó bá kọjú sẹ́yìn náà ẹ jẹ́ ká rí lábẹ́ comment. Ẹ ṣé gan-an ni. God bless you.